Let's read the Chinese mythology story. The creation of world by Pangu. In the beginning, there was chaos, a formless and limitless void. Within this vast emptiness, yin, the female, passive force, and yang, the male, active force, emerged, seeking balance and harmony. Over time, these opposing energies condensed, giving birth to a cosmic egg. Within the confines of this cosmic egg, a great giant named Pangu slumbered, his essence embodying both yin and yang. As the giant slumbered, he grew larger and larger, filling the egg until it could no longer contain him. With a mighty burst, the egg shattered into two halves, separating yin and yang. From the energy of these divided forces, Pangu emerged, fully formed and wielding a colossal axe. Driven by a divine impulse, he embarked on a monumental task, to bring order to the chaos and shape the universe. With each swing of his mighty axe, Pangu set about the immense work of creation. With relentless determination, Pangu wielded his axe, cleaving through the chaos. As he swung downward, the heavier elements sank, forming the earth, while the lighter ones ascended to create the sky. Day and night came into being as he tirelessly worked to balance and harmonize the cosmos. For 18,000 years, Pangu labored tirelessly, his colossal form growing with the passage of time. With each swing, the world expanded, mountains rose, rivers flowed, and the land took shape. He dedicated himself to the immense task of shaping the universe, giving form to its vastness. As the task neared completion, Pangu felt his strength waning. His massive form had held the heavens and the earth apart, maintaining the order he had painstakingly created. Sensing his life nearing its end, he took his last swing of the axe, determined to leave his mark on the world. With a final strike, the great giant fell, his colossal body transforming. From his eyes and breath emerged the sun and the moon, while his voice became the wind and the clouds. His limbs turned into the mountains, his blood flowed as rivers, and his flesh transformed into fertile soil. Yet, the essence of Pangu did not perish. His spirit infused the world, nurturing and guiding the newly formed lands and life within it. From his remains sprouted the first humans, emerging from the rich earth he had created. The world, now a harmonious and ordered cosmos, teemed with life and vitality. The humans, born from the essence of Pangu, inherited his spirit of resilience and perseverance. They flourished and multiplied, becoming stewards of the magnificent world Pangu had created. The story of Pangu's immense sacrifice and dedication became a cornerstone of Chinese mythology, symbolizing the cosmic forces that birthed the universe and the interconnectedness of all living beings with the natural world. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.